Yo, this lens is freaking dusty. It has been too long, man. This lens has just been accumulating dust while I've been on my little 2-week hiatus. Anyways, what up, YouTube? Welcome to the Stars. Welcome back yet again. We got another video. You guys might be wondering, yo, Jacob, why the hell are you in the bathroom? Well, as you can see, your boy just got a clean shave. I'll get into that in a moment, but first, I kind of owe you guys a little explanation. Okay, so I'm not gonna get too in-depth as to why. Maybe I'll make a video in the future discussing the reasons why I haven't posted in the last 2 weeks, but the biggest reason is that dreaded yellow dollar sign. I've been trying to deal with it. I've been hoping they get better. They approve every single video, but within the first 24 to 48 hours, every single video gets flagged and then they are not making any money. Not because that's the only thing that matters, but just because of the fact that I live on my own. I got bills to pay. I also help my parents out with their bills. Now, today's video, I will be showing off some expensive stuff. I know you guys like seeing a lot of that stuff. I'll be showing off some Supreme. I'll show off some Bape, and I'm gonna show off some Canada Goose. Not your regular Canada Goose jacket. Trust me, you wanna stay tuned. But the only reason I'm able to make today's video is thanks to Dollar Shave Club, which is today's sponsor. Now, for me personally, I think Dollar Shave Club is a great service. I used to be in the military. I'm a veteran. Now, when I was in the military, I never knew about Dollar Shave Club. Otherwise, I would have been subscribed to this service already. However, me and Dollar Shave Club came together, and there's going to be a link below which you guys can use to get this little starter pack for $5. And the starter pack comes with a lot of stuff. First of all, it comes with a metal razor, not some little weak plastic razor, with 6-blade little razor. It also comes with 3 replacement blades as well. Oh my goodness, this smells heavenly. I wonder if this is the body cleanser. I haven't used the body cleanser yet, but this box smells so freaking good. Now, I did use the shave butter, which works absolutely swimmingly. And then the other thing that I'm most excited about to use from this little starter pack are the one wipe Charlies. At first, I thought it was kind of weird they included these, but OG Poppy David, a longtime subscriber and someone who vouches for the one wipe Charlies, after he described these to me and basically just said that they're a gift from heaven, I was like, man, I cannot wait to try these. Now, like I said, there will be a link in the description below. You can use that link and you can get this little starter pack for $5. I'm also gonna leave a link to their Instagram right underneath that. And then of course, underneath that, you'll see my Instagram link as well. However, if you guys want to see more videos like this that I'll be doing in a moment, then make sure you check out the sponsor, which will be linked below. Just click that link, see what you get for $5, and also make sure you go show love on their Instagram, because honestly, without this sponsor, I would not be posting a video today. So seriously, thank you, Dollar Shave Club. I sincerely appreciate it. Now, before I get into showing you guys some little pickups, I need to stop by the store so I can show you exactly how good of a deal this really is. So I went to Target to get some groceries, and the closest thing I could find are these two right here. This one is $8.99, which it has half the amount of blades, and this one is $10.99, and it has 5 blades. So it's still not quite the same because it's not a 6-blade razor, and both of these are just the razor with 1 replacement. So double the price with 1 replacement. I really can't seem to find a 6-blade razor here. Now, I'm trying to find comparable prices. I'm trying to find the cheapest options I can find, and this right here is the closest thing to Dollar Shave Club that I could find. Here you have some disposable razors, which is still more money. Here you have a 3-blade razor, still more money. Then you have a 5-blade razor, which is the most comparable package to what you get from Dollar Shave Club. However, this is almost 4 times the price, like 3.5 times the price, and future orders are double the price. Dollar Shave Club is $5 and $10. And none of these are 6-blade razors. The 6-blade razors right here on Amazon, these are $20.99. And then these ones are $29.99, and then once again, they do not come with the extra stuff that Dollar Shave Club has. Okay, YouTube, so you guys might not understand exactly where I'm filming right now, but my camera is placed on a fallen tree, and then I am sitting on a fallen tree that is parallel with that tree. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys actually might be aware of this area. I have taken quite a few photos here, and I actually got some photos in this piece right here. This is the Bape classical tracksuit. By the way, I hope that the audio is not too messed up, because I know there's a lot of surrounding noises and a lot of, you know, little nature sounds. Just think of it like as some ASMR type shit. Anyways, this is the Bape classical tracksuit. As you can see, you have the taped sleeves, and then of course I have the track pants underneath, which has the taped sides as well. I think this tracksuit looks super sick, and I took some really dope photos in this tracksuit. However, this is in no way worth the price that they are trying to charge. I picked this up for like 700 something bucks on undefeated.com. I actually wanted to get it from Bape, but it sold out when I actually wanted it, and I didn't realize Undefeated even had it. So I was just like, okay, I saw it, I wanted to buy it. I kind of wanted to test it out and just, I don't know. I justified the purchase, but to be real, I just do not think it was worth it at all. As you can see, you have some cuffed pants right here, and I do not like the cuffs. I wish they would have done it kind of like Adidas track pants, where it just is tapered. I mean, the material is stretchy, so it still would have looked really nice. I know a lot of people justify Bape prices because of their quality, but the fact of the matter is Bape's quality has declined over the years. It's not like vintage Bape or like the Bape that I used to see all my friends wear in high school. Like, I never could afford that stuff when I was in high school, but a lot of my friends would get Bape and stuff like that. And back then the quality was really nice, but now honestly the quality is just average and the price is not average. I'm not saying I would never buy Bape. I think there are a lot of cool Bape designs, and some Bape pieces that I actually want are like some old school like puffer coats, for example. I remember when I used to watch like Lil Wayne Hustler music back in the day, and like that video alone makes me want like a super dope puffy red camo Bape jacket. Hopefully someday I get that. There are also some vintage Bape pieces that I have had my eye on that I think are pretty dope, but for the most part, stuff like this to me is just not worth it. Now, another piece that I got that is way too expensive, but I could justify a little bit better because the quality is actually really nice, is this OVO Canada Goose rain shell. Now, I know a lot of you guys might have seen the Canada Goose logo and thought that I got like a Canada Goose down jacket, because I think that's what most people get from Canada Goose. It's probably their most popular piece. But honestly, I will say this rain shell is really good quality. Is it $900 good quality? Not even close. Honestly, I'd much rather just buy a North Face rain shell. If you guys are from Washington State, you guys know North Faces are essential. North Faces are always in fashion here in Washington, and I love the North Face. I've loved the North Face for quite some time, and I would just rather spend my money or invest my money into North Faces than this. That being said, I did buy this piece for the video because I just wanted to kind of get a feel for the quality and discuss it with you guys and kind of get your guys' opinions on Canada Goose, especially since I see a lot of people buying their down jackets now. So if you unzip this, you can see right here on the inside tab, you can see October's very own. Let me just unzip this all the way. Really dope little touch. I do kind of wish it would have been maybe on the outside right here, because it still gets covered, and I wouldn't want it to be displayed like normally, but I do think it would have been cool to have it on the outside, or even have like a quote or something on the outside. Maybe, I don't know, maybe something just a little bit more for the design. I don't really need it to say OVO anywhere on it, because I'm not like a huge OVO fan. I like their sound, but just I'm not like the craziest OVO fan where I need OVO merch and shit. Now, underneath this jacket, I actually also have the Palace Adidas waterproof track pants, which I wear with this jacket. I got some photos of this as well, so if you want to see those photos, make sure you go follow me on my Instagram. That's like the fit that I wear whenever it's raining. I should be wearing it now because honestly it was just raining and I had to like pause the video for a second. But anyways, I think this is super dope. All these little accents are all 3M. You have the OVO owl right there, and then the Canada Goose logo right there. You have little pockets throughout the piece, like this pocket to hold an ID. You got some other little side pockets, another little pocket right here. It's definitely a good quality piece. I can say that this is the best quality rain shell I've ever had in my entire life, but it's also the most expensive, and it's the most expensive coat I think I've ever purchased in my entire life. This is $900. Actually, no, I bought the Supreme Stone Island jacket, but I kind of just bought that to put on ice. I don't really know if I'm going to keep that. I'm probably gonna end up selling that. Now, this piece doesn't really resell. It actually sold out at $895, which was retail, and I bought it for $920. But I do think it's a really sick piece regardless. That piece will stay in my personal collection. The Bape actually might get sold. This is another piece that'll stay in my personal collection. This is a Supreme Robo Tustin long sleeve. Now, as you can see, you have the Robo Tustin sticker or whatever on the back of this. There's minor pilling. It's not nothing like too crazy. The quality overall is pretty nice. I paid like $200 for this, which is, it's pretty average. It's not like an insane deal, but this is a piece that I wanted for quite some time, and it's just kind of hard to get the right color and size with no cracking on the print. Now, as you can see, they put Robo Tustin instead of Robo Tustin, probably for legal reasons, and also for the fact that if you are familiar with Robo Tussin, usually when you're high on Robo Tussin, they call it Robo Trippin'. And so, I don't know, I thought this was kind of a cool piece. This dropped, I think, 2014. I remember when it dropped, I really wanted this piece, but it sold out, and I was working when the drop actually happened. But yeah, as you can see, you have the little Supreme little medical logo right there on the left chesticle or breastises. And I guess there is like some real minor cracking on the piece. I don't know. I mean, I kind of wish I would have paid a little bit less. Especially, you guys know me. You guys saw some of the deals I got last season. Like, I got crazy dumb deals. But I'm not tripping too hard. That's just going to be a piece of my personal collection. I don't really plan on selling it ever, and it's in good enough condition where I won't be bothered wearing it. Oh, and then I think I showed these sweatpants off, but I don't know if I showed off this sweater. This is a FA sweater, as you can see right here. It's got the little hood print, and then it's got a cool little graphic on the back, but I'm not really, I don't know. Maybe I'll show this in a future video. I don't really feel like trying to turn around on this branch. But let me try to grab my camera. This is what I'm working with for those of you guys that don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I just kind of wanted a little bit of a change. I'm telling you guys, I took some really sick photos in some of these pieces, so make sure you go follow me on my Instagram. I'm honestly so excited for spring because I'm gonna be hitting the outdoors so much this spring. I'm just, oh my goodness, I miss the outdoors, man. This isn't even really the outdoors. Like, this is just like a small little nature reserve. And another thing I have to do, of course, is give a huge shout out to Dollar Shave Club. Like I said earlier, man, I'm honestly, like, Dollar Shave Club is something that I genuinely support, and I genuinely think it's a good deal. I remember one time I was in the military and I had something wrong and I had to go to the hospital or whatever. And the day that I went to the hospital was the day that we were supposed to fire M16s. So I figured what I would do is be like a good trainee and tighten up the beds and just make sure that if we got inspected, we would pass inspection, and that my TI would be like super impressed. And so he actually gets there and he sees me on the floor, and like my arms were up tightening the bed, and he still accuses me of sleeping. I think he was just doing it to fuck with me. And so I'm like, no sir, I was tightening beds, yada yada yada. I did like my reporting statement, like, sir, trainee star reports as ordered. Then he looks at me real close, he inspects my neck, and he says, trainee star, did you shave this morning? And then he took a 341. And if you're familiar with the military, or if you've ever been through basic training, you probably know what a 341 is. But anyways, man, yeah, like I said, Dollar Shave Club is something that I genuinely support, so definitely check out the link below. Without them, this would not be possible. So if you guys support them, then hopefully in the future they will support me, and I'll be able to do more videos like this, showing off some really cool streetwear that I normally could never freaking afford. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. Make sure you smash that like button down below, and as always, keep living the star life.